I will show you how to replace the temperature control switch. We will be using a 2.5mm hex wrench, 3mm hex wrench, 5mm hex wrench. Remove the pot. Power off the device. With a 3mm hex wrench, remove the fixing screw of the temperature control switch. Take out the thermostat. With a 2.5mm hex wrench, remove the 2 fixing screws of the cover plate. Remove the cover. Remove the 2 fixing screws inside the temperature control switch. Remove the temperature control switch. Unplug the wiring of the temperature control switch. Get a new temperature control switch. Plug in wiring regardless of direction. Put back the housing. Screw onto fixing screws. Install the cover after tightening the screws. Align the screw hole and screw onto screws. Put the temperature control switch back into the inner wall of the pot. Secure with screws. After confirming that the temperature control switch is firmly installed, the switch replacement is complete. Insert the pot back in. Temperature control switch replacement completed.